to our channel. So today in this video I am going to teach you how you can copy and paste in your MacBook. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So copying and pasting is pretty much simple in your MacBook. All you need to do is simply follow these steps, and if you want to copy and paste, there are two methods. You can select any of the methods to do so. The first method is simply select the thing you want to copy paste and type in or hold the keys Command and C together. This will allow you to copy it. Now go to a different space and hold the keys Command and V. This will allow you to paste that particular copied thing. The next method to do so is simply go to that particular thing and double tap it, and there you can find an option where you can easily find the option called copy. So simply copy that thing and go back to a different kind of space. Simply double tap that place as well, and then you can find the option called paste item. So that will be now pasted on your MacBook as well. So these are the two ways how you can copy paste on your MacBook. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.